Hello, Jessica. How are you feeling today?
Honestly, Professor, I'm afraid to speak English aloud.
That's okay. Many learners feel the same.
I feel shy and nervous every time I try.
Today, we will change that feeling step by step.
Really? Can I really speak more confidently?
Yes, by the end, you will try short sentences easily.
That sounds helpful. I want to try.
Perfect. Let's start with a small story.
Yesterday, I was at the cafe with my friend. I wanted to order coffee, but I was nervous. I watched the waiter, but I didn't speak. My friend encouraged me, but I felt shy. I looked at the menu and practiced in my head. I wanted to say, I am drinking coffee, but I froze.
Jessica, this is normal. Fear is common. Speaking is a skill, and skill grows with practice. But I always make mistakes when I speak. Mistakes are signs you are learning. They are okay. Today, we focus on the present continuous tense. You will tell short stories about what is happening now.
That sounds easier than full conversations.
Yes, small steps build your confidence.
Okay, I am ready to start learning.
Good. First, let's see the basic pattern. We use subject plus am for I are. Example, I am eating.
I am eating.
He is reading.
He is reading.
They are playing.
They are playing.
Question form, are you eating?
Are you eating?
Negative form, I am not eating.
I am not eating.
He is not reading.
He is not reading.
She is drinking tea.
She is drinking tea.
She is not drinking tea.
She is not drinking tea.
Repeat after me. I am walking.
I am walking.
I am not walking.
I am not walking.
Are you walking?
Are you walking?
He is running.
He is running.
He is not running.
He is not running.
Is he running?
Is he running?
She is cooking.
She is cooking.
She is not cooking.
She is not cooking.
Are they eating?
Are they eating?
They are eating.
They are eating.
We are learning English.
We are learning English.
We are not learning English.
We are not learning English.
Repeat with small changes. I am drinking water.
I am drinking water.
I am not drinking water.
I am not drinking water.
Is she drinking water?
Is she drinking water?
She is drinking water.
She is drinking water?
Are you studying now?
Are you studying now?
Yes, I am studying now.
Yes, I am studying now.
He is watching TV.
He is watching TV.
He is not watching TV.
He is not watching TV.
Let's do a role play. You are ordering food at a cafe.
Hello, I am drinking coffee.
Hello, are you drinking coffee?
Yes, I am drinking coffee.
Are you eating cake?
No, I am not eating cake.
She is reading a book.
She is reading a book.
She is not drinking juice.
She is not drinking juice.
Are they playing outside?
Are they playing outside?
Yes, they are playing outside.
Yes, they are playing outside.
Now, a slightly faster scene. You are at home.
I am watching TV.
Are you watching TV now?
Yes, I am watching TV now.
He is listening to music.
He is listening to music.
Is he listening to music?
Is he listening to music?
She is cooking dinner.
She is cooking dinner.
She is not cooking breakfast.
She is not cooking breakfast.
Are they studying?
Are they studying?
Yes, they are studying.
Yes, they are studying.
Quick check. What am I doing?
I am listening.
Correct. What is he doing?
He is running.
Right. What is she doing?
She is sleeping.
Good. Are they eating?
Yes, they are eating.
Perfect. What am I not doing?
You are not sleeping.
Excellent. Jessica, how do you feel now?
I feel more confident speaking English.
That's wonderful. You practiced real sentences.
I know mistakes are okay. I can try more.
Great. For homework, write 5 lines using today's pattern.
I will write them and practice every day.
Shadow the 10 best lines again, slowly and clearly.
I will repeat them and speak aloud.
Come back tomorrow. We will learn a new story.
I am excited to continue learning English.
Remember, small steps bring big progress.
I will speak English more confidently every day.
Excellent. Keep practicing. You are improving already.
Thank you, Professor. I feel proud of myself.
See you tomorrow, Jessica. Keep speaking.
See you, Professor. I will practice a lot today.